Hello my dear students, how are you? Hope you all are happy and alright with the blessing of God. Now let's start activity. This is my bottle. I keep my bottle on my left side. These are my friend's bottle. I keep all my friend's bottle on my right side. Now see students, observe it carefully what I am doing. I am keeping my bottle together with my friend's bottle. What I did just now? Tell me students. It means I kept them together, combined all together. This is called addition. And this is the symbol of addition. Today is my birthday. My friend Riya gave me 2 pens and my another friend Meena gave me 4 pens. 1, 2. Riya gave me 2 pens and my another friend Meena gave me 4 pens. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then how many pens in all together? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 pens. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Now let's do another activity. I am putting 4 chocolates in first cup. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And I am putting 3 chocolates in another cup. 1, 2, 3. Then how many chocolates in all together? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. There are 7 chocolates. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Four plus 3 is equal to 7. Now we will see addition of 2-digit numbers. Numbers that are made up of 2 digits are called as 2-digit numbers, and 2 digits numbers are 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 up to 99 numbers. Here number are 41, 75, 92, 66, 36, 90, 51, 10, 76, 45, 28, 46. Every 2 digits numbers are made up of a tens and ones place digit. Here tens and ones room like a room. Just like each of us have our own room. Like this way, tens and ones place have their own room. They don't want to share their rooms, so each digit like to stay in a single room. So these tens and ones like rooms for these digits. Now we will see examples. Here is number 23. Digit 2 will write in tens place and digit 3 will write in ones place. Now next number is 49. Digit 4 will write in tens place and digit 9 will write in ones place. We will see another example. Which number is this? 65. Digit 6 will sit in the tens place and digit 5 will sit in the ones place. Now we will see another example. Which number is this? 94. Digit 9 will sit in the tens place and digit 4 will sit in the ones place. But suddenly, why are we talking about these tens and ones room instead of addition? I will show you. The example is 13 plus 4. 13 plus 12. Firstly, we have to draw two columns. One for tens place and one for unit place. Ones place or unit place. Here which number is this? 13. Digit 1 will sit in the ones place, tens place, and digit 3 right in the ones place. Then putting addition sign. Which number is this? 12. Digit 1 will sit in the tens place and digit 2 will sit in the ones place. The secret rule of addition needs you to place the numbers in their respective tens and ones room. So let's do that first. I want the digits to be placed in their separate room. Now let's come to the answer. Let's do the addition first. Always you should start addition from unit side. Here is which number is this? 3 and here 2. By using your fingers, dots, circles, you can do the addition. Which number is this? 3. Then you draw 3 lines here. And here which number is this? 2. You draw 2 lines. Then how many lines in altogether? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We can write here 5. 1 and 1. 1 plus 1. How many altogether? 2. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Our answer is 13 plus 12 is equal to 25. Now we will see another example. 35 plus 42. Firstly, we have to draw two columns. One for tens place and one for unit place. Here which number is this? 35. Digit 3 will write in tens place and digit 5 will write in unit place. Then put addition sign here. Which number is this? 42. Digit 4 will sit in the tens place and digit 4 will write in the unit place. By using your fingers, dots and circles, we can do the addition. Here which number is this? 5. Then we draw 5 lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which number is this? 2. We can draw here 2 lines. And how many lines in altogether? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We can write here 7 number. Then here which number is this? 3. We can write here 3 lines. And here which number is this? 4. We can write here, we can draw here 4 lines. Then how many lines in altogether? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Our answer is 77. 35 plus 42 is equal to 77.
Now let's think about 3-digit numbers. For example, look at the blackboard now. 135. Now see children, you know about tens, you know about units. Now see, what number is more here? How more? Here 3 numbers are there. Suppose the number is 42. Then it will be tens and units. here 100 numbers are also there with the unit and tens column. Now see, this 5 is unit, this 3 is tens, and this 1 is 100. How we will read this number? 135. Let's give me one more example. Now see, this is number 400. Now see, let's do one more example. 426. Now see, here also 3 numbers are there. Now we will go like this: unit, tens and 100. Now tell me, how many units are there? The 6 is unit. Then we will write 6 in the unit column. Then 2 is there. 2 tens and 6 units. That's why we write number 2 in tens column. And number 4. This is 100 place number. 100 place number is there. Then we will write this 4 in the hundreds column. Like this, we have to sort tens, unit and 100 also. That is called 3-digit numbers. Now see, this is called abacus tool. It is used for addition also and tens, units, 100, thousands, examples also. Now see, this is abacus tool. Now see students, here unit column is there, here tens column is there, here 100 column is there, here 1000 column is there, and many more columns are there. Now we will see the 3-digit numbers with the help of abacus tool. Now see, this number is 230. Now see students, how we will use abacus tool and see this number. Now here 3 is unit place. 3 is in unit place. Now see, then unit place. Here unit, in the units column we will put 3 2's. Now here 1 is there, it is tens column. Then we will put here 1 circle. Again here 2 is there, and this place value is 100. Then how many circles we will put? 2. Now see students, what is this figure? 210 and 3. 213 is the answer. Now let's take another example. Now see, here number is 550. Now this 5 is 100, this 1 is tens, and this 5 is unit. Now we will start from unit, tens and 100. Now see, 5 unit, then we will put 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is 5 units. Now 110 means only 1 circle, and 500 means 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then see, 550 circles like this. In 100 column we will put 5 circles. In tens column we will put 1 circle, and in unit place we will put 5 circles. Then the total digits are 550. Now The number is 422. 422. Now start from unit side. Here 2 units are there. 1 and 2. 2 tens are there. And 400 is there. 2, 3 and 4. Now check. 422. Now our 3-digit number is complete here by using the abacus tool. Now let's do the 3-digit addition with the help of one activity. Now look at this. This square indicates 100. See, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. This 3 piece indicates tens. Now see, 1 ten, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens and many more tens strip we can make here. Now see this square. This square indicates units. 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit, 5 unit, 6 unit, 7 unit, 8 unit, 9 unit and any unit we can use for our 3-digit addition. Now see, we will take one example. Now see, how many squares I will put? 1 and 2. It means 200. Now I will put 4 tens. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now how many units I will put? You see, 1 and 2. Now see, 200, 4 tens, 2 units. Now we will do the addition. Here we will put the sign of addition. Now see, 1, 2 and 3. 3 squares I put here. Means 100, 200 and 300. It indicates 300. Now I will put 2 tens. And in the unit side I will put 1, 2 and 3 units. Now see, upper side 240, 2 number is there. Then we will put addition sign here. Again we will put 3 squares, means 323. Now we will do the addition. Now see children, what we will do? We should start our addition from unit side. Every time we will solve the unit side. Now see, we will mix these 2. Now count it. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now here 5 units are there. Then we will write here 5 units. Now the next is tens. Now see, we will mix this tens and this tens. Now see, these 4 are there and these 2 are there. Now see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now here 6 tens are there. Then what we will do? We will write here in the tens column. We should write here 6. Now we will do the 100 side. We will remove this 3 for making our addition. Now see, we will mix this all squares. Now see, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then we will write here 5. Now see children, what is our answer? 500, 6 tens, 5 units. Then 565 is our answer. Now we will see another example. Now look here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now see, here 4 tens are there. Now we will see another example. Now see, we will put 3 squares here. Means 1, 2, 3. 300 is there. Now here we will put 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here 5 tens are there. Now here we will put 3 units. 1, 2 and 3 units. Now see, 353. Our number is 353. Now we will add 230, 230 and 1 unit. Now see, 353 plus sign is there. 231. Now we will do our addition. Now see, we will mix this. Now see, total how many units are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we will write in the units column number 4. Now we will count tens column. We will put it together. Now see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now we will count 8 tens. Then we will write the number 8 in the tens column. And at last one we will do the hundreds column. We will mix it together. Now see, 100, 200, 300, 400 and 500. Now we will write here number 5 in hundreds column. Now see, our answer is 584 and our example is 353 plus 231 and our answer is 584. Now we will see the example on the blackboard. Now look at the blackboard. Example is 143 plus 524. Now see, whenever like this example is coming, what we will do? We will make boxes first. See, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then we have to make 3 boxes. This box is H means 100, T means tens, and U means unit. Now what we will do? We will first see the numbers. In which box we will put which number? Now see, from this side we will start. First we will write unit, afterwards we will write tens, and afterwards we will write 100. Now see, here this 3 is unit, this 4 is tens, and this 1 is 100. Here also we will do the same. This 4 is unit, this 2 is tens, and this 5 is 100. Now we will put the numbers in their proper boxes. Now see, here 3 unit means we will write 3 in the unit column. Here in the tens column 4 is there. Then we will write 4 in the tens column. And here 1 is in 100 column. Then we will write this one in 100 column. Now don't forget the sign of addition. Here you should put the sign of addition. Now again the second number 524. Here in the unit side number 4 is there. In the tens side number 2 is there. And 500 is there. Then we will put this 5 in the 100 column. Now we will do the addition. Now you can use your fingers, you can use lines, you can use circles, or you can use any objects also. Now don't forget, we will first do the unit sign. Now see, 3 plus 4. Then tell me, 3 plus 4. How many? We will count it together and tell me the number. See, 1, 2, 3, and this 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We will count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then in the unit column we will write here 7. Again tens column. Here 4 is there. Here 2 is there. You can do here also. You can do here also. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this 2. We will count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then in the tens column we will write 6. Now 100 column. 1 is there and 5 is there. Then this 1 and this 4, 5. We will count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then our answer is 6 here. Now see the answer, 667. Then this answer we will write here 667. Then our example is